Hi mga ka-home foodies! Today is gonna be a special day na gagawa tayo ng global food icons with a twist, a healthy twist. So by the way, I'm Martin for Elaborately Easy. Alright guys, let's start with the first recipe, meat-free Swedish balls. This is an iconic dish. We're gonna make it elaborately easy for you guys, so start na tayo. Magme-melt lang muna tayo ng butter, around 1/4 tablespoon. Kasi una nating step is actually heating up our VEEGA MEAT-FREE balls. Straight from the freezer, pwede na natin siya initin dito, stove, or pwede rin nating i-microwave. Tapos kung saan natin niluto or nireheat tong meat-free balls natin, doon na rin natin gagawin ng ating gravy. No? Sobrang dali lang. So naka-easy open tayo, so just really open it like that. Tapos add na natin into the pan. Gagamit tayo ng 2 packs. There you go. Yan. Give it a chance to thaw out. Yan. Magba-brown lang yung sides niya ng onte. Mamaya kasi once we're done with the gravy, you have the option to put back the meatballs, then let it simmer for a few minutes or a few seconds, or serve it on the side. Kaya na bahala doon after. Halos lahat sila ay golden brown na. Right. So my meat-free balls are good. Set aside ko muna siya sa plate para we can move on and make our gravy. On to the next step. Right, so ngayon, dahan-dahan, lower your heat, and then, slowly add your flour. Kaya ako siya dinadahan-dahan dahil ayoko siyang mag-buo-buo. Ayoko ng clumps of raw flour. Ngayon, antayin lang nating maluto, or actually, yung flour ang importanteng maluto. Para pag ginawa na natin siyang sauce or gravy, wala yung parang grainy na feel. Malalaman natin tapos na to or ready to add your stock kapag medyo yung aroma niya nutty, and makikita mo naman yung itsura niya medyo magbo-blonde yung color nung inyong thickener. Yeah, at this point, I'm gonna turn my heat from low to medium dahil mag-a-add na ako ng stock. Sobrang dali lang naman. You have to continuously stir while adding your stock. Here I'm using beef stock. I'm using 2 cups. I turn my heat up to high para lang mag-boil siya. And so I'm just gonna bring this to a boil. And then, once na mag-boil, medium heat ulit para lang mag-simmer. After that, we are gonna add our strawberry jam. Ang daming alternatives nito. Kung meron kayong makitang raspberry jam, okay lang. Cranberries, usually cranberry jam ang ginagamit. It's time to add our strawberry jam. So you can actually see yung color niya medyo pinkish right now, but it will change once we put in our seasoning, which is soy sauce, and our all-purpose cream. So what I'm gonna do, parang kanina nung nag-add tayo ng stock, slowly add our cream. I'm using 1 pack. Next is our lemon juice. I'm just gonna season it with some soy sauce here. We're just gonna give it its brown color back. Next is some pepper, ground pepper. And last is our nutmeg. Yung nutmeg, halos pinch lang kasi medyo matapang yan. I just wanna contribute to the aroma. Next, since yung sauce natin okay na, gusto ko sabay yung even yung temperature ng aking meatballs and my gravy. So I'm just gonna put these back. Just let your meat-free balls simmer with your gravy for a few minutes para lang mas mag-combine, mas mag-gel yung flavors nilang dalawa. And we're ready to plate. Right, let's do the second recipe, which is the cheesy good burgers. Bakit siya cheesy good burgers? Actually, cheesy siya, it's good for you, and it's a burger. Because we're gonna use our VEEGA meat-free burger patties. And the reason why it's cheesy is because gagamit tayo ng mushrooms, which we will stuff with mozzarella and magnolia cream cheese. So let's get going. Tuturuan ko muna kayo kung paano maglinis ng mushroom. This one is a Swiss button mushroom. So medyo maliit siya. Kung gusto niyo yung kasi laki talaga ng burger patty natin, pwede tayong gumamit ng mga portobello mushrooms. Yun yung nagsisilakihan. Now we're using Swiss button mushrooms. So ang treatment natin para kang maglalagay ng onion ring sa burger mo, we'll be using 2 mushrooms per burger. Actually, super easy lang mag-process ng mushroom. No need to wash it or anything. Tataob lang natin siyang ganyan. Hawakan niyo yung stem, twist it, okay na siya. Next, using a spoon, I'm kinda just scooping out the gills dahil hindi siya necessary doon sa cooking process natin. By removing this, I'm also giving plenty of space for my cheese. Yan. So this is our processed mushroom cap actually. So there's a lot of space inside for stuffing. Now it's time to stuff the mushrooms. Unahin ko muna yung mozzarella para ma-seal siya nung cream cheese natin. Okay? Around a tablespoon. Ang mangyayari kasi dito, maluluto yung mushroom when we deep fry, ma-warm through yung cream cheese, tapos yung mozzarella natin, magme-melt yan. Now I'm gonna seal it with my cream cheese. Sinasara ko lang siya sa edge. Since ang cream cheese naman, it's pliable or madali siyang ma-forma, okay lang na may onting budge na ganyan. Dahil ibe-bread naman natin lahat. Yan. So ito yung itsura na gusto natin for our mushrooms. It's completely stuffed. Medyo may weight na siya ng onte. Next, we're gonna do the breading. Ito na yung 3 breading ingredients natin. The Magnolia All-Purpose Flour, Magnolia Brown Eggs, and the Panko breadcrumbs or Japanese breadcrumbs. Ewan ko kung naturo na to sa inyo, pero what we're gonna do, we're mag-a-assign tayo ng role sa mga kamay natin. This is gonna be the dry hand and this is gonna be the wet hand. Ibig sabihin, si dry hand, siya yung magde-dredge in flour. Gusto natin dredge lang, ibig sabihin, light coating. So, tak-tak natin yung excess and then, dito tayo sa eggs. Ngayon, si wet hand. Kaya tayo naglalagay muna ng flour para mas mag-stick yung egg mixture. Then, now is the breadcrumbs. Balik tayo kay dry hand. For this, magdo-double coat tayo para lang mas maganda yung texture niya when we fry. Taktak natin yung excess egg. And then, yan, onting pat. Let's help it stick to the mushroom. Now that our mushrooms are breaded, ang next na gagawin natin is i-rest muna natin siya. Kung available naman, just keep it at around 10 minutes in the chiller and 5 minutes in the freezer. Kasi kapag yung mushroom mo na-freeze masyado for a very long time, yung texture niya affected na yan. Tipong parang medyo mapupunit-punit siya sa loob. It's time to reheat our VEEGA meat-free burger patty. Guys, this is fully cooked. So ito, no preservatives, high in fiber, source of protein din siya. So in one pack, there's 2 pieces of patties. And I'm just gonna lightly oil my pan. Pag stove top, lightly oil. Di kailangan ng maraming oil for this one. And I'm gonna add my patties. 3 to 4 minutes per side. Ito kasi galing tong freezer, diretso from the freezer. So it'll take me about 4 minutes per side para mag fully heat and also form that beautiful brown crust. Flip na natin yung patties natin. Yun. Ang ganda ng crust. Yee, that's what I'm looking for. Give it like 3 more minutes since nag-heat through na siya. Next up, pagpatungin ko muna sila like they're best friends. And I'm gonna heat my buns. Tutustahin ko lang siya. Sandali lang to eh. Actually, yung bread mabilis na magtusta. First patty down. Tatabi ko tong bun na to. Okay, next is our last patty. Slowly, yun oh, ganda ng crust niya. So habang naghihintay siya dyan, a little switcheroo. Babay muna tayo dun sa pan na yun. And next is our oil. Now it's time to fry. So dito pwede tayo mag-fry ng 4 dahil maliliit lang yung mushrooms. But if you are frying yung portobello cups na malaki, yung sinasabi ko kanina, it's better na 1 at a time. Kasi ano yan eh, baka pag natunaw yung cream cheese, mahirapan ka i-manage. Ito naman, since cheese lang siya and mushroom, mabilis maluto, gusto natin is mag-golden brown yung color and lumutang. Lumulutang na siya, which means it's okay. Ang goal na lang natin, yung init pumasok hanggang sa pinakaloob ng stuffed mushroom natin. Few seconds, okay na to. Ganda ng pagkaka-golden brown niya. Right, ahon na natin yung mushrooms natin. Yun, ang ganda ng color, oh. You just take it out before it's golden brown. Ako, tinataktak ko talaga. Kung hindi naman loose yung pinray nyo, bigyan nyo siya ng onting taktak to kind of remove the excess oil. Tulungan nyo na rin siya. Now it's time to serve. Unahin ko ng plating is ang ating cheesy good burger. We'll put 2 pieces of the small sized stuffed mushroom. It's so cute. And then, in top, there you go. And you're good to go. So, sasecure natin siya. Nalagyan ko lang nitong burger sandwich stick natin. Ready to serve. Tapos, yung ating the first dish that we made is the Swedish meatballs. Lagyan lang natin to. Yun, no? Now it's time to put a bit of the sauce all over the plate. And then, parsley for color. And we're done. Kung hindi nyo napansin, guys, both of the recipes that we made today are made with plant-based proteins. So dalawang substitutes yung ginawa natin using VEEGA products, VEEGA Meat-Free Burger Patty, and VEEGA Meat-Free Balls. Gusto ko lang sabihin na itong ginawa natin today is actually mga global icons yan na dinala lang natin sa bahay. At first, lahat yan sobrang intimidating tingnan, pero nandito ako para sa inyo to make things elaborately easy. Until next time guys, ako nga pala si Martin. Bye.
For more recipes, visit www.homefoodie.com. You can also like our Facebook, that's Home Foodie, and follow us on Instagram at HomeFoodiePH. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel and click the bell icon to get notified for new uploads.
Dahil dito sa Home Foodie, walang imposible. Lahat kayang gawing madelicious.